How to connect floor lamp with Smart Life app. 1. Download the TUYA app. 2. Register your account with an email. Please read these tips carefully. 3. Add devices. 4. Turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options. Ensure select 2.4 GHz network. There are two methods to pair with the phone. 1. Long press the controller's power button about 5 seconds until the red light starts flashing to enter pairing mode. 2. Long press and hold the button on the remote control about 5 seconds until the red light starts blinking to enter pairing mode. Input your Wi-Fi password and wait seconds to pair.